So now what we're going to do is unblock a sink. For the purpose of this exercise, you will need a pair of gloves. You may have noticed on a changeover clean that a sink is either blocked or slow draining. This could be a kitchen sink or a bathroom sink. Also, a customer may have reported this to you. In front of you here, you will see the connection underneath the sink. For the purpose of this exercise, you will see here that there is one down pipe. This takes the water from the bottom of the sink, and at the back here there is a pipe that takes it to the mains drains. At the bottom here is what we call the sink trap. This is where food debris can collect and block the sink. On your campsite, you will see several different types of downpipe and several different types of trap. However, they all operate in virtually the same way. Before we attempt to unblock the sink, there are two things that you must do. Firstly, put the plug in the sink. The reason for this is, if you inadvertently turn the tap on, the water will not come through and not drain out and damage the furniture. Also, if you take a tray and pop the tray underneath the trap, when you take this trap off, the water from the trap will go into the tray and not onto the furniture. For the purpose of this exercise, this is an oven tray that I've taken from the oven. It will need to be re-cleaned thoroughly after this exercise. So what I'm now going to do is hold on to the pipe at the top, and the reason why you must hold this is so it does not come loose at the bottom of the sink, because this could cause an additional leak. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the trap to the left. There is something that may help you here, which is called lefty loose, righty tight. If you turn something to the left, it will loosen it. If you turn something to the right, it will tighten it. So what I'm going to do is turn this to the left, holding the top of the sink in place. That comes off. Then empty this out of any debris that may be in position in the bottom of the trap. Also at the bottom here, you will see various threads. And also in the bottom of the trap, you will see various threads. To get this back in place, you must match these threads to these threads. So once this is empty and cleaned out, you can then pop this back in place, again holding the sink trap in position and turning it to the right. So we're now going righty tight. Turn that back on, again while holding the top of the trap in place. Tighten that up so it's hand tight. Then what you can do is take the plug out of the sink and run the water to make sure that the sink is now unblocked. If for some reason the blockage is still there, you may need to seek some further advice from your team leader, site manager or repair and maintenance technician.